The World Cup is coming to an end, and we only have 4 teams left. So let's use AI and OutSystems and try to predict the winner. We are going to build an agent using OutSystems. We are going to use AI to get some data so it can make informed decisions. And finally, we might even use Mentor to show a little bit of flair. So stick around because you won't believe what AI is going to do. First, we create the agent as we have already shown in many other videos. We select the model and we publish it. We are going to test the agent as it is. The agent has no idea what's happening in the FIFA World Cup. This is because when the LLM was trained, there was no such context. So let's fix that. We're going to use Claude to fetch the internet and get the data that we need for our LLM. And in our result, we get a prompt, a JSON, and some CSVs that we are going to feed into our application. The JSON seems to structure the information about these 4 final teams. The CSV seems to be just a dump of all results in the World Cup. In our Service Studio, we're going to create 2 variables in the grounding data and paste all this information as text. Then we're going to sign it and feed it into the LLM. We are going to also follow Claude recommendation and use this prompt. Testing now our informed LLM, we have here the predictions at hand. We have a prediction, but we are sending a lot of information. That means a lot of tokens. Let's try to remove some information and see if it can still predict something. We just remove the CSV from the grounding data and let's see the result. There you go, Argentina. You heard it here first. Argentina is going to be the winner of FIFA World Cup 2026, at least according to our AI. I want a little bit more flair and have a little bit more fun with AI tools. So I'm going to build a page where you can vote on who you think the winner is. And for that, I'm going to use Google Stitch to create a design. I'm going to use Claude to create prompts, and I'm going to use Mentor to build code on OutSystems. It's going to be a lot of fun, at least for me. Let's go. Let's use Google Stitch, an AI design tool. I'm going to put a prompt where I say I want some bars to represent the votes and buttons, and a little bit of more information. I'm using this tool, but the magic of nowadays is that you have a lot of AI tools that work well together, such as OutSystems, so feel free to use whichever you want. Now, let's pick up our design result, let's put it in Claude, and let's say in a prompt, please give me which prompt should I use in Mentor so I can obtain the same result. This is a way to do it. You have a lot of other ways to do it, like using the OutSystems MCP or using other tools or prompting other prompts. It's up to you. I selected this way because I just wanted to. With our design ready and our prompt ready, we're going to build a new application in ODC Studio. We're going to build it manually so we can play around with Mentor and some prompts. We create a screen with a blank layout for Mentor to use. We open Mentor and let's use the prompt that Claude has given us. Checking out our web page, it's closed, but clearly it's missing some information. We need to run just a bootstrap that Mentor already created for us. It's getting there, it's pretty close, but I think we can iterate a little bit with the help of Mentor and get a better result. Let's prompt Mentor. We are going to iterate to fix some bugs here, to fix a little bit of UI there, and we're going to get an end result of a working application. After some iterations with Mentor, we have here our final page that I think that is pretty close to the design that we had. And we have even a working voting system that you will be able to use. Just like that, we build an agent, we build an application that allows you to vote on the winner, and all using AI and almost no code. So make sure you visit the page, you vote on the winner, the link is somewhere around, and let's see who wins the World Cup. Thank you.